Give him the flag. There you go. Give him the flag. That makes it official.
My first boss I had back in 1981.
Oh. This is Pat from NortheastWheelsEvents.com in 2019. VolksFest in Mannheim, PA. Oh, look at the little sedan. That is cute. I like this. What a nice roof line on that. Very unusual to see these, even when they were new. It's a rather brisk day with lots of wind, but we're checking out this very early dub. Notice no turnstiles. Check out the bumper. You can see the differences on early dubs versus later dubs. No chrome, no VW indications, horn on the outside. The tires are too wide. Notice the windshield wipers, how spindly they are. This is one of the main indicators, trafficators. Those, of course, are your turnstiles. They stick out with a little light below. And of course, the infamous split window.
Right.
Notice the small tail lights. This is 1950. Wow. Can you pop the
Yeah, I just put the engine in a couple weeks ago. We did this car 25 years. Here he comes. 25 years ago or whatever. He drove this down to Florida 2 years ago.
Really?
Yeah.
How long did it take him?
From Bloomsburg, PA.
Wow. Now this is what?
It's
26?
36.
36.
Chevy 25.
Okay.
Dan, turn the ignition switch on. Show her the semaphore.
Oh yeah, that's the most fun. The
So
trafficators.
this is for a hand crank, but I just put this engine in last week, or we put it in last week.
Uh-huh.
Because the engine in there, we probably had 90,000 miles on it. We drive this thing.
That's great. That's great.
You should see what we started with. It's on a 57 pan. It's not original,
Right. Uh-huh.
but we did it our way. And we put probably 100,000 on the system.
Wow.
This is what she looked like when we brought her home.
Let's see.
Oh,
Oh, she was fairly solid then.
No, it wasn't solid. It wasn't.
Okay, the pan was
everything.
roasted.
The body was taken off the pan. And all
All
that.
was a
Wow.
pan.
It was a rust bucket. All the rust.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, but this is a 50. How
Yeah,
many
yeah.
were
Here's what the
around?
front bumper looked like.
Yeah.
No, not that one. That got stolen. Where's the other one? It should be right here where the paper says.
That's the front
Oh
bumper.
my
I
God.
had a friend who fixed it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's a pretzel.
Yeah, but he fixed it. But here's the.
That's the same bumper.
Wow.
It's a standard, supposed to have mechanical brakes, but it's on 57. Yeah, she was looking at that.
There we go. There are the trafficators.
Taking pictures?
Yes, I'm shooting video. Ah, too late. I got you already.
Okay, so I can show you.
That is great. That is great. Wonderful.
Now I gotta check for a bolt here.
Yeah. Save that.
Too cool.
No, all I need is that. Yeah.
I gotta shoot the interior. Can you get up? There you go.
I've got a bad hip.
Ah.
I gotta get back there and get that bolt.
I'm gonna check out the interior. Now the interior is not original 50.
We got seat covers on it.
Yeah.
We wore it out.
What about the door panels?
No.
Okay.
It's all replaced, all that stuff.
And it's got the roller accelerator. You see the roller? The
This car
dashboard.
came into New York Harbor 9/11, 1950. It's within the first 150 sold it.
First 150.
Right, first 100.
Wow. How many were sold in 1950 in the United States? 160. My gosh. Where did you find this bird?
There was a 46 right next to
Yeah,
it.
46 and
Was
the
it?
53
Really?
straight split windows.
Given the information,
Wow. That's amazing.
you know, that's the engine we have. I have literature, I know all that stuff in here.
Uh-huh. Jeez, what a great find. Where did you find it though?
Fairfield, New Jersey.
Yeah, close enough. Cool beans. Thank you guys. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 VolksFest. Check out this 1950 Volkswagen Beetle. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and I'll see you at the shows.